So as I'm about to head out, I have a few things with me today. I've taken a bottle of water and an apple for a snack because I'll probably be starving along the way. While I'm driving I can have it. I'm also taking, because I need to go to NESPRESSO, I'm taking my recycled bag full of pods and getting a new one back. And then I have my tote bag that I'll put all my things that I end up getting. It's just handy, and I have a few of the Woolies ones for all the food stuff. And here's my list all ready for me for February. Ready to go. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Organized Joy. I am on my way to do my February chores. Now if you remember correctly, last month I tried to do this the way I had planned and it didn't really work out. I got it all confused. So this month I'm hoping that I can get it right for you. You're coming with me. Now what I do every month is I plan all my chores around areas or shops or shopping centers, and I try and do it efficiently so that then I don't have to go back and forget something and end up spending so much time, wasted time, going back every weekend or wasting money on parking, etc, etc. So the thing this month is that I'm traveling to Kenya. So I have split my chores into 2 Saturdays. This is Saturday 1. I'm going to Kenya next week. Then the following Saturday I'm going to do the rest of my chores. Today's chores are all around things that I need to make sure I do before I go to Kenya. So I have to get to the pharmacy for stuff for next week. So that's at Hyde Park, and I also have to get a present for Max because it's his first birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to do everything I need to do in Hyde Park in one place. So that's NESPRESSO, it's the pharmacy, I need to get to the bank, I need to go then get a present. And what I'm also doing today is I am going to FLUTTER at Hyde Park to do my eyelashes before I head off to Kenya so that they all look beautiful. So that's what I'm doing first. After that I am going to Benmore. I'm obsessed with the new WOOLWORTHS there, and I'm going to do a little bit of shopping that I need to make sure is in the house for Andy while I'm away. And there are 2 pairs of pants that I saw there during the week that I really want to go and get. So this is February chores, grouping them all together to be efficient so that you can get other things done in time, so when you actually head back trying to do things. So let's go. I am dressed in good old vest and jeans and tackies to make life easy. I'm wearing my crossover bag so that it's handy to, there you go, you can have a squiz at all that I'm in. That way it's easy for me to carry stuff. So I'm trying to be as efficient and quick as possible. So let's go. Okay, so I'm at Hyde Park. It's very noisy here, sorry if you can't hear me properly. I'm heading to LEVINGERS first actually, because I want a pair of heels to have a new, I want to put little heels on a pair of heels that I want to take with me. Then I'm going to head into Woolies to the country road to get something for Max. And then I'm heading to the pharmacy, then to NESPRESSO, and then to FLUTTER. And then I'll do the bank, because I think the bank might take a bit of time. So yeah. So I'm at Country Road and I have found Max's present. I put my boots in, so I'm just going to pay and then I'm going to go to the pharmacy. I thought that I would actually get a B12 injection while I'm there because I'm traveling twice in the next few weeks, so just to get a nice immune booster. Okay, so that was the pharmacy done. I had a B12 injection, which was flippin' sore, but I know it will be good for all the traveling that I'm doing. It just boosts your immune and it's really handy. Got all the meds that I need, and I got an extra concealer from Clarence. I bought one the other day and I decided to get another one in a different color just for other areas on your face, so that's cool. Now I'm off to NESPRESSO. And FLUTTER. Yay! Hello!
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Well, thanks.
I'm here for my 10:30. So here is a before, and I'll show you afterwards what it looks like. There they are, all done nicely. I'm now at Benmore. What I haven't mentioned, which I think is pretty cool, is that I have registered for this app called Admit, ADMYT. Grant told me about it, and what's really cool about it is you don't have to take parking tickets and you don't have to pay for parking. You register your vehicle and it comes off your account, knowing how long you've been there. So handy. It was at Hyde Park and it is at Benmore now, so I don't have to worry about parking tickets, I don't have to worry about anything. So I'm at Benmore. I'm going to run down to the shop where I saw the pants that I wanted, and then I'm going to head to this brand new Woolworths, which I'm super excited about. So I'm back in my car, all done with my chores, and I'm on my way home. Super happy that I've done everything, and I will carry on next Saturday. Thanks for coming with me. See you next week. Hi everybody, it's the second weekend. I'm back from Kenya and I'm about to start finishing off my last chores. This weekend I need to get to Pick n Pay and Woolworths to do all the grocery shopping, which I'll take you with. And this morning, I'm going to be doing that this afternoon. This morning I need to go to Dr. Vlachos. I need to get money and I am doing a coaching session. So that's my Saturday. It's pretty grim weather here. So yeah, at least it will be cool. Right, so I'm at Pick n Pay. I've got all my tote bags in my hand and I'm off to do my grocery shopping. It's always good to do Pick n Pay and Woolies at the same time, because then if one thing is missing from somewhere, you can get it at the other place. But I just like to get all my groceries done in one Saturday. I usually go late afternoon because that way it's quieter. So now I'm off to my new favorite Woolworths in the whole world, in Benmore, to do the last parts. And I'm done. All the groceries are done, unpacked, and in the kitchen. Job well done for the month.